Hi everyone, welcome back to another trade of the day. Hope the weekend has been a good one for you guys. So for today's trade of the day, what I really want to do is to focus on dollar franc, right? Just looking at some risk of pairs. Okay, and on the dollar franc, what we have here is the daily. Okay, so we see price, okay, making a push up from this low over here all the way to this high, and we want to know how far price can come back down. Now, normally I like to look for graphical support. However, if we were to look to the left, alright, we see that price has actually broken this level here. Right? Just let me draw a line. We see that the current daily candle is really below this, right? Testing this level here. So, if the daily close is below here, what can we do? Okay, we can take a retracement from the last low to the high, and we see that price is already below, tested 50% once, twice, and a third time. Okay, so this graphical overlap, the next level that it breaks, okay, it should go to the 61.8. Alright, so I'm going to put this as green as a support. Okay, let's go down to the 4 hour very quickly. Now on the 4 hour, clearly we have already broken below this graphical overlap, and we are already below the, let me just highlight the 61.8. okay, we are already below this level, right, below this graphical overlap resistance. Okay, so I'm just going to back this up a bit, put this level over here. Now if we were to follow price action, okay, we see the price made a high, it made a low, it made a lower high, it made a lower low, it made a lower high. Okay, we should expect price to push down to make a lower low as well. Alright, so we have our resistance, we have our target. Okay, this is what we can expect price to do. Okay, and all we have to do is find the entry and the stop loss level. So for that, because this is an intraday trade, let's go down to the 1 hour. Alright, let me just tidy this up so it's easy for you guys to see. Okay, so for the 1 hour, right, this is what we have. Okay, we can follow price action and do a zigzag, okay, and project downwards. Right, that's one way. Second way is you can take a retracement from the swing high all the way to the low, okay, and look for the entry and the stop loss. So let's use the Fibonacci extension first. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. We see that our take profit is actually quite close to the 100% level. Alright, but now we're looking for an entry. Okay, so let's use our retracement from high to low, open all Fibonacci ratios. Alright, we see that the negative 27.2 is also in line with our daily 61.8. So this is actually a very strong Fibonacci confluence level. Secondly, we actually see that the 38.2% is at this graphical overlap here. Alright, and is where price actually rejected off. Okay, so even in line chart, right, we can actually, let me just show you guys, in line chart we can actually see there's a graphical overlap here. Alright, so this is actually a pretty good level, okay, to actually play off our, put a sell entry, okay, for price to come back down. Okay, we expect price to retest that level as price is currently in the area and to come back down. And as for the stop loss, alright, I will actually put the stop loss. We actually see this gap here, okay, on dollar franc. Alright, I will put a stop loss just above this gap, which is at a 61 level. Okay, so I'm going to highlight 61 and negative 27.2. Alright, so these are the levels that we have. Okay, and the stop loss is going to be just above it. Alright. Okay, so this makes for quite a nice intraday trade of 1:2. Okay, and last but not least, what we can actually do is we can actually put in sort of indicators. Right, we can open up the trend line, moving average, okay, to 21. We see that when the market is upwards trending, okay, the 21 moving average holds quite well. it touches and it bounces, it touches and it bounces, it touches and it bounces. Likewise, in a downtrend, okay, it touches, it reacts, touches, it reacts. Alright, here it touches, it reacts, touches, it reacts, touches, it reacts. Okay, so we can, with probability on our side, we can expect price to touch the moving average and react lower. Alright, so there we have it. Let me just get rid of this indicator. Okay. Alright, so there we have it. I'll take profit. Take profit zone. I'm going to draw a box here. Alright, and then we have a sell entry and our stop loss. And the indicators are also indicating a further bearish drop. MACD is also below 0 as well. Alright, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day, dollar franc. Wish you guys all the best and have a great trading week ahead. Thank you.